Excuse me for my mess. Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to be recreating this bronzy look that I have been rocking the last few weeks. So if you guys want to see how I got this look, then just keep watching. I'm going to start off with putting my hair back. If you have glasses or your sunglasses, just take them and put them behind your ears and your hair is pushed back. How easy was that? I'm gonna have lighting problems. I haven't used this palette in a long time because I got this palette and I've been using this palette quite a bit. I'm gonna take this color and put it all over my lids. A really nice fluffy brush. I've already primed my lids. I have beauty oil all over my face. That's what I normally do. And let it sit because my face has been dry lately, so I don't know if it's my hormones or what happened. You guys, I have been using Babe Lash Serum for the last week. I've been using it for a while though, but I restarted back up about a week ago, and seriously, my lashes have grown so much. It's so crazy. I don't know if you guys can see from here, but I don't have anything. I just curled them. I'm gonna mix these two colors because I don't want this to be a really dark look. I want it to be like a summery, light, bronzy look. So I'm just gonna put this in the inner corners just to deepen my eye. I've been having camera problems lately. My Sony a5100 is broken, and then I haven't used this camera in a while because this is my video camera. My settings is all jacked up. After I gave birth, for some reason, I don't know what happened to my skin. It used to be on the oily side, T-zone oily. Now it's dry. I don't know what happened. I think I'm still kind of adjusting back to the regular me, but I have been using this under eye treatment by Tatcha lately for my under eye, and it's been really working. I have to keep my under eye really moisturized, otherwise the makeup that I wear, it doesn't look good and my wrinkles show. You only need a little bit, literally like dots. I'm just going to go like this. And just use your ring finger very gently. It is a little on the expensive side, and you can kind of use it as a concealer and under eye treatment in one because it is colored. Now we got to go back to the eyes because normally I would have done that first, but I totally forgot. I'm gonna pick a little darker color, just a little darker color, and I'm gonna mix these two colors together. I noticed that this next step is the most crucial step for me, so I have to be very careful and like pat it just to make sure that it doesn't get blotchy, and I just kind of dab it there. And then I take the rest and then just put it underneath. Okay, so this next color is my favorite color. I don't know what color it is because I've had this palette for a long time, and this is like one of her first palettes because since then she has came out with different packaging colors, you know, that have names on them and stuff, and I don't know what happened to the clear little sheet. But this color right here is a really pretty color because it gives you that wet, glimmery bronze look. So I find that using your finger is best, and so I'm going to apply that going down. I don't know, just watch because I can't explain it. I'll try to zoom. I don't know, I just feel like it's a pretty, really pretty bronzy look, and by using your finger it goes on the best. It's not that dramatic, you know. I'm going to take a brush and then just kind of marry those colors together. Very carefully though, because I don't want my eyes to look completely shiny all the way. I'm taking out this James Charles palette. I actually have been really liking this palette. I haven't ventured with the colors much, but I really do like this palette. The highlight color is really pretty, and then this color I use as my inner tear duct all the time, every day, all the time. So I'm gonna take that color. I really like doing the inner highlights a lot because I feel like it finishes the look. And I'm just applying a liner to the top of my eyes, and then I'll smudge that in. And just use a smudger brush for that. Or I'm gonna use the excess and just apply it to my waterline. I don't want to put black liner on my waterline because this is, you know, a soft bronzy look. For foundation, I'm gonna use concealer because I haven't been using foundation lately. I just haven't been in the need to have it all over my face, so I just use this and then I'll spot conceal certain spots. This concealer is by MAC. It's the 24-Hour Studio Fix Smooth Wear Concealer, and this is my favorite concealer. It's not thick like Tarte's Shape Tape, and it's kind of runny, but it does dry matte. I've been looking at pictures of myself with makeup on, and I'm just like, you know, for some reason, my foundation concealer doesn't look right, like something's not right, you know? So I went to MAC and I was like, you know, I want to try a different color concealer because the normal colors I try, I feel like they're too light. The guy, he put me on the NW side instead of the NC side, which is what I was wearing, and I was like, you know what, I like this color. It's NW32. W means warm, C means cool, so if you pick cool, then you're more on the cool side, but I'm on the warm side, so he was like, you should be at NW, and I was like, you know, let's try it, and I tried it, and that's what I am. So I'm just using a nice little rabbit foot brush to apply it all over my face and underneath my eyes. And then I just kind of pat it all around my face too, because, you know, we're not gonna put foundation on. I didn't realize there was so much traffic around the neighborhood. I'm gonna put some Studio Fix powder to just mattify my face a little bit because it's a little on the shiny side. All right, so I'm gonna bronze my face with this Bare Minerals. It's actually powder foundation, but I use it to contour. And I'm using a big fluffy brush because I don't feel like dealing with the preciseness. So there you have it. It's kind of like a light face, like it's a super light foundation routine that I have been doing lately, and I've just been really liking it because as you age, obviously, less is more. This highlight from the Morphe palette is literally my favorite highlight of all time right now, and it's this color right here. I don't know what color this is, but this is the highlight color that I have been loving. It gives you that wet look. It's like a natural wet look. So let's apply mascara. This is like my third tube. It's the Dior Show Pump and Dump. This is the Dior Show Pump and Volume mascara, and this is like my third tube that I've gone through. I love it because it doesn't straighten out your lashes after you curl them. It keeps them in their shape. It definitely volumizes, volume. Gives your lashes volume. It's $38, but it's worth it. So, I don't know if you can see, but it's so pretty. It's just, I love it. We're pretty much done. Now I'm just gonna do my lips and my lip combo. First, Half Red Lip Liner by MAC. Apply it to your outer lips. I am not making a precise line. This is just what I do. After that, I'm taking my Pro Longwear lipstick in the color Made to Last. I haven't worn this in a long time. And apply it to your lips. Wait for it to kind of dry because the Pro Longwear kind of comes on a little wet and then it dries matte. So I'm just gonna wait. I look like a smoker. So as I wait, I was thinking of having my next video be kind of like a vlog style of new things that I have been purchasing, or new things that I have purchased, because I've been kind of going crazy on Amazon. I recently became an Amazon Prime member, and I've been buying stuff, you know, stuff that you need, and certain little things that I have wanted, like this ring light right here. It's a mini ring light. Isn't it cute? I purchased this on Amazon and it was like 26 bucks. So that's probably what my next video will be. So now that my lips are a little bit tacky, I'm going to take this melted matte, I don't know, liquid lipstick by Too Faced. It's like a concealer color, a little more on the pink side. I would say that this color is for mixing. So I just dab it in the middle and blend. Wow. What's wrong with these dogs? I bet you there's a dog in heat right now that's walking. Okay, sorry about that, but this video must go on. I am taking this lip topper by Tarte. I have been loving this. This gives your lip that extra shine look. It gives you that really pretty, like, glow. I really like it. Yeah, I'm just loving my eyelashes. This is crazy. I would love them to be thicker, but if you want to be a little extra, you can of course put some lashes on. Okay, so we have finished my look, my bronzy look. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If there's any products that you would recommend for the bronzy glowy type of look, please let me know. Oh, I forget. I gotta spray my face with my setting spray. And I will see you guys all in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!